passionate teachers and students out there. This is Tian from the Abuti Academy, and today we're going to look at the front end, the student end of the online classroom. So if you watched the previous video, we talked about the back end where the teacher can prepare classes, and now we're going to look at what the student sees on his or her side. I've already created an account, so if you haven't, you can log in with your Gmail or Facebook, or you can just sign up for free and then use the username and password to log in. So I'm going to do that. So then we get to the main page, or with bladsy in Afrikaans. Okay, so here you can join classes and you can see what homework or communication has been sent by the teacher. And let me join this class that I've now already created. I named it isiXhosa. There it is. Yeah, so I can search for the class isiXhosa grade 1, and now I have to join the class. So here you can read the instructions, search for your class, select the class, then press the join button. So I've searched the class, now I'm going to join the class, and now I need the class code. So the teacher needs to send the student the code in order for them to join the class. So now I can go to the teachers section here, and here I have the class code, which I've generated in the previous video. I'm just going to copy it in there. And then it tells me that I have successfully joined the class. Okay. So now if I scroll down, it should appear. Just give it a second. There we go. So now I've joined isiXhosa grade 1. Now I can go into this class and see what the teacher has prepared for me. All right. So it says, welcome to teacher Tian's, that's me, grade 1 classroom. Okay, so now I can see the lessons that have been prepared. At this stage, the teacher only has one lesson prepared. So I'm going to click on that lesson, the body. And now I can start, as the student, I can start going through these steps, right? So let's see, this teacher instructions. Let's see what this consists of. Okay, so the teacher has given me some instructions. Step 1, watch the video. Step 2, go to the workbook. Step 3, listen to the song. Step 4, play the flashcard and poster games. And step 5, hand in your assignment. All right, so let's go back to step 1. And it says to watch, it tells us to watch the video. So I'm just going to click on this video button. This takes you directly to the video that the teacher wants you to watch. So I'm just going to press play. And there we go. Okay.
The Abuti Syllabus Better World Project. No child gets left behind.